Hi all, welcome to pantech eLearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Particular kind of a system, it is nothing but known as the IoT, known as Internet of Things. Receive the data onto our mobile phone. So that will be our first task today with the help of MQTT. So for that, here we have our Raspberry Pi. So let us provide a power supply to it. So now the Raspberry Pi is powered. Let it get connected to the Wi-Fi, and now we will access our DNC. So now we have accessed our Raspberry Pi. Now from the system, let us transfer our code to the Raspberry Pi. Import it to our Raspberry Pi. Now everything has been sent. Now let us access that. So hereby we have the publish, and below that we have subscribe. So first let us publish the data. Hello, or let us directly publish the sensor data from Raspberry Pi to our system. So for that we can go with our DHT. Directly we can apply that, because whatever the answer it is showing up over there, the same thing only we will also get. Okay, so therefore we have connected everything. I hope it will throw an error now, since we have given multiple parameters. No, it is sending the data. Let us try to receive in this mobile. Yeah, so invalid QoS. First it will be sending the humidity. Then for the same topic, temperature. Now let us run it. I hope it takes some time. Yeah. So someone is sending to me as a hello sir. Okay, so from Raspberry Pi, from this particular DST sensor only, we are sending all the particular data. First it is humidity, then it is temperature. So like that only it will be data. Now same thing I can send from my mobile to this device. For that I can use subscribe inside my Raspberry Pi and publish from my mobile phone. Now therefore same thing, whatever I am sending here it will be received. Just I am running the module. Go for publish. Okay, so finally the message has been sent and it has been displayed up over there. This is the complete function for home automation, like light 1 on. So now it will receive it as light 1 on. Then if we connect towards the respective pin, the light gets turned on. So this is what the complete application with the help of MQTT inside the Raspberry Pi. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.